Did you know that Vicks Vaporub can be used for more than just a cold? Well, prepare to be amazed as we count down the top 15 surprising uses of this common household item. Starting off at number 15, we have insect repellent. The strong menthol smell of Vicks can keep those pesky bugs at bay. So, next time you're out and about in the great outdoors, consider slathering on a little Vicks for an easy DIY insect repellent. At number 14, did you know Vicks Vaporub can help soothe sunburn? The cooling effect of the menthol can provide relief to your sun-kissed skin. Moving on to number 13, Vicks can be a handy tool for training pets. Place a small amount on furniture or objects that you don't want your furry friend to chew on. The smell should keep them away. Number 12 brings us to a beauty hack. Vicks can be used to moisturize your skin. The petroleum jelly in it can help retain moisture, making your skin feel smoother. 11 on our list, Vicks can help reduce the visibility of stretch marks. Apply it regularly on the affected area to see the difference. At number 10, Vicks can help alleviate headaches. The menthol in Vicks can help reduce the pain and pressure of a headache. At number 9, Vicks can be used to soothe cracked heels. Apply it on your feet, put on some socks, and wake up to softer feet. Number 8, Vicks can help with muscle aches. The menthol and eucalyptus oil in Vicks can help soothe sore, overworked muscles. At lucky number 7, Vicks can help with minor cuts and scrapes. The petroleum jelly creates a barrier that helps protect the wound and speed up healing. Number 6, Vicks can help reduce acne. Apply a small amount on the affected area and let it work its magic. Moving on to the top 5, at number 5, Vicks can help relieve earaches. Apply a small amount on a cotton ball and place it in your ear for temporary relief. Number 4, Vicks can help you fight toenail fungus. Apply it regularly on the affected nail to see improvement. At number 3, Vicks can help with weight loss. The menthol can stimulate fat burning in certain areas when applied topically. Number 2, Vicks can help you sleep better. The soothing aroma can help you relax and drift off to sleep. And finally, at number 1, Vicks can be used to combat dandruff. Apply it to your scalp before washing your hair to see a reduction in those pesky flakes. So there you have it, 15 surprising uses of Vicks Vaporub. From insect repellent to dandruff control, this common household item boasts an impressive range of uses. So next time you reach for that familiar blue bottle, remember, it's not just for colds anymore.